Marcus Aurelius once said, "Our actions might face obstacles, but nothing can hinder our goals or intentions, because we have the ability to adjust and adapt. The mind has the power to transform obstacles into opportunities for action. Therefore, always remember, whatever stands in the way becomes the way forward."